back to my channel. My name is Naserian. This video is about hibiscus tea. I've used hibiscus for the past few months and I thought I should give you guys details on how to improve your hair with hibiscus. Hibiscus is like any other herb like henna, fenugreek and the rest, and throughout this video you're going to see how you can incorporate hibiscus into your hair regimen. Like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share this video as much as you can. Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as I've mentioned earlier, today's video is on hibiscus tea. My secret hair growth tips among many is tea, basically black tea and any kind of tea you can find. Today's video is focused on hibiscus tea. Hibiscus is known as one of the most renowned herbs used for hair growth, and it has gained popularity because of its ability to stimulate hair growth even from dominant hair follicles in bald patches. So it is an efficient remedy to put a stop to your hair fall, encourages regrowth of hair, and prevents premature graying. For this video, you can see I've made myself a good amount of hibiscus tea, which I've put in the spray bottle, and I'm going to spray from the roots to the ends of my hair, and making sure the hair is really soaked with the hibiscus tea. And then I will proceed with the LOC method, which is liquid, oil and cream. This process is to make sure the moisture is really sealed into your hair, no escaping, and making sure that the hair will last long being moisturized. And for my method, I use the water, which is the hibiscus tea, making sure the hair is soaked. And then I go in with the leave-in to making sure that the hair is really detangled, and I have an amazing leave-in conditioner which I've used for years. And after that, I proceed with the oil, which is my oil I'm going to talk about in the next video. Oil is homemade, infused with amazing herbs like henna, hibiscus, fenugreek, garlic, and the rest, with amazing oils also infused inside the oil. And then I proceed with a sealant of Auntie Jackie's shea butter. And because I like to be extra, I add canned coconut cream. And also because I like to be extra, I add the EcoStyler black castor gel on top to finalize the whole process. And this can actually last me for more than 2 weeks. And the benefits of using this spread hibiscus on my hair is that it has major hair boosts. The shine has really gone a notch higher, the frizzes have reduced, and the pH balance on my scalp is awesome. That means I no longer get the itching or the dandruffs or the excess oils. It also discourages split ends. So if you suffer from hair loss or your hair kind of shedding from the end, hibiscus is the right herb for you, and it's easy to make. Just take the leaves, dip them in hot water, let it stay there for around 12 to 24 hours like I do, them into your spray bottle and use it on your hair. So guys, that's all for the video. I hope it's been helpful for you. If you suffer from bald spots, dandruff, weak hair, this herb can actually help you out. Just go buy some hibiscus, make some tea. You can use the LLC method if you like. You can actually follow my routine and you'll see the benefits. You can actually use this hibiscus in your deep conditioner. Just mix them and then apply on your hair. You'll see the benefits. So thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe, like, and share if you can. And see you on the next one. Bye bye.